Alright guys, welcome to another Crypto Jungle. I'm your host, Tobias Brown. Wow, what a day. What a day it's been. It hasn't even started yet. I've woken
Depending
up.
on how much
It's
money you have. If you, for
8:25
example, have $1
a.m.
million,
here in
$5 million,
Bali.
$10 million, I would definitely
Okay,
say grab
and
yourself a couple of those things or
someone's
look for a
talking on the
custody
back of that.
service,
Oh dear.
which will
Sorry
take a
about that.
fee.
Let's close that. Someone was talking on. I had a YouTube video going at the same time. Right, okay, so let's get into this. What's going on? What's going on is XRP, guys. XRP has flipped Cardano. It is now 91 cents. It's up 60.58%. So congratulations to everyone that took the suggestion to get in with XRP when I did my video about a couple of weeks back. Congratulations to you, and yeah, you're up a significant amount of money depending on how much XRP you currently hold. Where do I see this going? I see this flying. Once it passes that dollar mark, it's going to start going for all-time highs, guaranteed on that. So watch this space. Now, I've had some comments about how I don't do enough technical analysis on this channel. Fair enough, I don't. And the reason I don't is because right now, I really don't think it matters. I don't. I mean, the way the market's sitting and what's happening with everything, we are at exactly the same levels we were at the beginning of 2017. So I'll put it bluntly, everything is going to pump. It doesn't matter where you put your money, you're going to get a return on investment in the crypto space in the short term now. Not a financial advice, just what I think. Okay? However, some coins, which is what I go over on this program, are complete gems that are untouched by most people or looked down on by a lot of people, like XRP. Okay, so guys, if you're not in XRP already, not financial advice, but my advice personally, for my own purposes and what I have done is I've got more of it. Okay, so I personally think this is one of the most powerful projects in the crypto market and will make a lot of people a lot of money. And you won't want to miss out on it. It moves faster and harder than most other cryptos, as you've already seen. Okay, a week back it was 50 cents. It's now 91 cents. That's a huge return on your money. Right, so what am I talking about today? I'm talking about what's been going on with a couple of little investments I've done and a bit of a roundup on what we've covered already. So I did a little bit of a review on a coin called Wink a while back. I just wanted to show you what happened. So this is my Wink wallet. Now, if you remember, when I first did the video, I bought 300 Aussie dollars worth of Wink, which is about 500,000 Wink. I then saw the first pump. I saw it retrace after the first pump, and I was completely bullish on it. So I decided to put another $350 in. So if you look at my transactions here, oops, sorry, trade history. There you go. So I put another $350 in, and I bought 463,000 Wink on the 2nd of the 4th. So that took me up to what you see here, which is 1,210,025.52 Wink. Okay, so I invested a total of $650. It's now sitting at this. Wow, what a return on investment, guys. Okay, I still see this coin moving a heck of a lot higher. I think Wink could potentially be an absolute gold mine. If you're not in already, perhaps it's time to have a look. Maybe buy the dip if it drops. I expect it to drop down a bit. It's already dropped down a little bit, but it'll drop and then it'll pump again probably, but it's still undervalued. So not financial advice, but yep, have a look at Wink and see what you want to do with that. But there you go. All right. If you're Australian and you want to get hold of Wink really easily, you need to go to coinspot.com.au. I'll put a link below, and you'll actually get $10 worth of free Bitcoin if you sign up with my link. All right, so let's get into the meat of the video. What are we going to be talking about today? We are going to be talking about Bidao. Who has heard of Bidao? Not many people. It is another sleeping giant. Now, Bidao, as it says in their website here, is a decentralized stablecoin for an open financial system. Basically, it's a lending coin, okay? Now, I'm not going to cover it in massive detail, because I'm going to actually do a real deep video on Bidao, price action, everything else in the future. I just wanted to give you an idea, maybe before this one pops, okay? Because this is imminent. So it's basically a DeFi. It's the king of DeFi, in my opinion. So it's decentralized finance. It's going to create open, borderless, transparent world through financial services. So again, it's a stable coin ecosystem, and it's going to make a governance system which allows people to send and open DeFi applications anytime, anywhere. Right, sounds pretty complicated, but look at its collaborations. Collaborated with Tron, Chainlink, Telor, Digibyte, Dash, Nem, Traveler.com. If you've never been here, this is quite interesting. So, Traveler.com, you can actually buy flights and accommodation stays on holiday with your crypto. So, really worth checking that one out. It's part of the Enterprise Ethereum Alliance, guys. Okay, Digital Europe and upcoming events. Right, okay. So it has some very, very big players associated with it. But look, I'll go into it in more detail. I just wanted to put it on the radar for now because I'm going to be covering it in a lot more detail in another video. But here's where it's sitting currently. So let's have a look at Bidao. Good old coin market cap working well. All right, so it's a long way down. Long way down. It's up 10% today. That's nice. I bought this on the ICO, so I think it was like, I think I bought 2 ETHs worth of it back in the day. So yeah, it's sitting at about 3 cents right now. Bidao, if it wants to be a stable coin, guess what? All stable coins are pegged at the US dollar. So guess where it's going to be sitting? Not financial advice. Just take it as written that this could potentially be an absolute monster as well. Okay, if we have a look at the charts. So when it was first released, it came out and it was 4 cents. Dropped down. You would have picked it up November time. You would have picked it up at 0.009 of a cents. Yep, so I saw my investment plummet on this one. But it was always a risky one for me. But I thought I'd get in when I got in just to see what would happen with it. It then pumped. We're talking February when everything else started to pump as well. We had a bit of a dump with the Bitcoin dump. It follows the price of Bitcoin because it's such a small cap coin at the minute. And its own market is not quite as powerful to make those price moves. So we'll talk about volume and market cap. Okay, it says there's no market cap, but it has a fully diluted market cap of this, and volume is about $1 million traded currently. The maximum supply is this, and the total supply is this. And the beautiful thing about Bidao is, just like a lot of other coins that I've been covering, they are doing token burns. So they are burning tokens currently, and they continue to burn tokens, which will push the price up. All right, so yeah, it's a finance coin. It's basically going to allow you to borrow on the blockchain. So if you own cryptocurrency, you can borrow against Bidao. But I will go into a lot more detail on this. But I just wanted to give you guys a bit of an update on where things are sitting. Very happy. I'm very happy for all of you that took my prediction on Wink. Well done. I hope you please just post in the comments how you're doing with it, if you've made a lot of money on it, what kind of returns you've got on your investments. I'll be really, really interested to see that. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I'll be bringing you more crypto gems very, very shortly. All right, take care.